Before we start our treatment, we're going to apply the included water-based serum. Now, when applying serums, you want to use a generous amount to coat the treatment spot. Now make sure you get a good coat over the eye area so that you don't lose cold ion conduction. Your spot should be simply coated like this. Don't over-apply or it will drip. The ion flow will adjust to your skin automatically every 10 seconds during the treatment. So let's start. To turn on your Enercharger, press the silver button on the side. You should hear one beep. Press the button again at any time to stop. You'll know it is working when you place it close to your skin without touching the skin, and you see that the LED light is on. Cold ions are now flowing towards your skin. Now I'm not going to feel any tightness or mild warmth until about a minute has gone by. So for those of you with puffy eyes, you can spend a little bit more time with one spot, like right over here over this lymph node or tear duct right here. Now for those of you with lots of darkness, you can hold it over this area. For crow's feet, you'll need to hold over this area for up to 3 minutes. Right, I know that the jets are on and I'm continuing to target this spot. I know that I'm conducting cold ions. Now the Enercharger runs on a 1-minute cycle that ends with a triple beep. To continue treatment, simply press the button again. You can do this several times a day, but you need to wait 10 minutes between treatments for each spot. And you can treat various spots as you like. Now the good thing about this for me is it's really made a big difference. Now if you smell a little bit of ozone during the treatment, that's perfectly normal.